Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to remove lock screen pin password or pattern on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. After click on security and privacy, click on lock screen and enter your PIN. After enter your PIN, so you will see PIN password pattern is here. If you want to remove lock screen PIN password or pattern, so select swipe and none. So for example, select swipe and click on remove data and click on remove. Go back to home screen and you will see swipe up. So that's how you can remove lock screen pin password or pattern on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.